In this video, we will talk about boot capacity and cargo capacity of the Hyundai Venue. So it does not matter you have which variant of the Hyundai Venue, this boot capacity and cargo capacity remains same. So right now I have these three full size suitcases and two medium size suitcases and two briefcases, one cabin bag and this one laptop bag with me, and I will show you how much luggage we can place inside the Hyundai Venue. So first of all, let me show you how much luggage we can place inside the Venue when the seat is in fold position. So this is a full size suitcase. This is second full size suitcase, and now we can place the third full size suitcase on top of it. And here we can place the medium size suitcase in this position, the another medium size suitcase in this position, and we have the space left, so we can place the cabin bag here, and here we have the laptop bag, so that can be placed here. So we have this much of space left, so one briefcase can go to this place and the another briefcase can go to this place. So this is one type of arrangement where you can place this much luggage inside the Hyundai Venue when the seat is in folded position. Now let me show you another configuration. Let me remove this. Laptop bag, put it here. So what we can do is, instead of placing these big bags in this positions, we can move them into this position. So this is one more configuration, and we can place the third full size suitcase in this position. Now space on top of that third bag can be utilized in this way. So this is second configuration that we can use. Now this can be placed here, and this cabin bag can be placed here. So this is another way we can place the luggage inside the Hyundai Venue. Now this is when the seat is folded, and when the seat is in used position, when you are traveling 5 people in the Venue or 4 people in the Venue, which means that your rear seat is in use, then I'll show you how much luggage can you place inside just the boot of the Venue. So let me remove everything. Here comes the last bag. So here it comes, and let me fold the seat. So this is this seat back to its position, and this is the luggage boot space in the Venue, 350 liters. So what we can do is, we can place a full size suitcase like this in the Venue, and if we want to place another full size suitcase, so that won't work because we can place it like this, but the boot will not close, so it will stay like this. So what all we can do is, we can place a medium size suitcase on top of a full size suitcase like this, and in this portion we can place a cabin bag or any other bag which is of similar size here, and here comes the laptop bag. Of course you can place some more items over here, but it will hamper your visibility while driving. So this is the total luggage that you can place inside just the boot of the Hyundai Venue.